check.
Hey guys, what's up? This is Ken with Bitcoin Crazy. Hey, another day of Faucethub, and today we're going to just talk about Faucethub and some of the different tools Faucethub offers you. The other day we talked about faucets in general and how to go out and collect your Satoshi for absolutely free. But today what we're going to talk about is what you can do with the Satoshi once you have it in inside your wallets. So let's take a peek at that. What we're going to do is right now we're logged in, and guys, for those of you that don't have one of these, there's a link down below that you're going to find for Faucethub so you can open an account. It costs completely free, no personal information, no nothing, other than you're going to have a blockchain wallet address, and that's your wallet to where these microchain wallets drop into your other wallet. So as soon as you do a withdrawal from here, it goes into your other account, and that's the account you can actually cash out and take cash and put it in your pocket. But that's another day. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and take a peek at this, and we're on the user's dashboard. We're going to click on exchange right here at the top where it says exchange. So when you guys go out and you guys collect any kind of cryptocurrency, whether it's Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dash, you name it, Ethereum, you can come in here and change those currencies around. Me, I'm buying up a lot of Litecoin right now. So if I collect a bunch of Bitcoin pieces, I like to come in here and I like to change it out. As you can see, my Litecoin right here, because when this gets to 0.01, I can go ahead and withdraw from this account, and I can send it into my regular blockchain account, where at that point I can use it to purchase things in the world or whatever, or invest in other avenues of passive income. And that's what this is all about. So right here, I want to get more Litecoin. See, I chose Litecoin.
Where's the toaster?
Dude, I'm recording. Sorry about that, guys. Someone came in and interrupted me. It was one of my little guys. So anyways, right here, real quick. So I want to convert. So right here, I have this balance right here. There's a fee as we start doing this, and you'll see the total right here. So I'm going to say I want 0.01. So how much is that going to cost me? Well, that's going to cost me this amount. I don't have that. I only have this. So I got to figure out how much I can actually get in Litecoin. So let me see. So I definitely know I can do that. So I'm going to go back one digit. So I can do that. I wonder if I can grab 2. No, I can't grab 2. So maybe 1.7. That's a little high. So I'm going to go down to 1.5. Still too high. So we'll go to, let's say, 1.2. So 1.2 I can do. So this is how much I can get of Satoshi. So right here, see, I have this. So that's going to crank me up. As soon as I do this transaction, that's going to crank me up to 0.0026. So that's how I keep on increasing this. So I'll do buy now. That trade is opened. You have successfully opened a buy order, and you can see that right here. And if you hang out here, you'll start to see the adjustment. Well, it already did it. So you can, well, it hasn't done it yet because my Litecoin's right here, but it should be doing it any time now. And once that does, then I'll see the adjustment once it goes through. It'll pop up a little box in here. But that's for the most part is going to be your exchange and buy and sell. So now if I want to sell something, there goes my numbers. If I want to sell something, then we can take a peek in here, and I can sell Litecoin. I could sell whatever, and I can convert those. I can convert this number, Litecoin, into Bitcoin if I wanted to. So let's take a peek at that and see what that would make if I wanted to dump all of this. So that's pretty much what you're looking at in Bitcoin. If I were to dump that, that would be the conversion, and then I could actually dump it, make it back to that, and then I could take it and purchase any of these other kind of coins I want. So that's how that stuff works, guys. It's just a little bit of an exchange thing. So however you're feeling for that day, whatever you want to do, you can go ahead and exchange and move things around. All right, guys, make sure you check out my links down below for different accounts, signing up, as well as please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Later.